Welcome to my channel. My name is MUVMarteekah. If you do not already know, shame on you. No, I'm joking, but welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing the Colourpop x SHAYLA collaboration smoky eye tutorial. That's what I wanted to say. It's like a blue smoky eye tutorial. Today's Shay Day, and it's the continuation of her collaboration. She's coming out with 3 new products, and I wanted to just give you some eye look that might be able to go with some of the new products that she had. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. First, I'm going to put on my pore smoothing primer, which is the J1 Jelly Pack. What I like to do first is smear it on, and then I pat it on. As you see, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really sticky. Then I'll put on my Born This Way foundation in the shade Maple. I'm just gonna go over it with a beauty blender just to pack some more of the product into my pores. I'll move on to concealer, and I'm gonna use the Colourpop Tan 50. And in the inner corner, I'm gonna do Golden 40 blending sponge. So SHAYLA's coming out with a bundle for Shay Day. It's called the Shay Day bundle set, and it's $25. It includes 2 ultra matte lips and 1 ultra glossy lip. And this entire collection is coming out for SHAYLA's birthday, which I believe is on the 14th. To make sure it doesn't crease, I'm gonna set it immediately with my Sacha Buttercup. I'm just gonna take a smidge, and I'm gonna look up while I'm doing it. While that's setting, I'm gonna contour my face with the Black Radiance Contour Kit. My only gripe with this kit is usually I have to keep flipping it over. I mean, you could kind of just stand it like this, but it still doesn't quite stay. And I just wanted to stay put. And then I'll take a thinner brush, which this is the MAC 191. I usually don't use this, but I realize it's thin, and it's the bristles I think are pretty adequate for this. So don't get me to tell you if it's microfiber, not microfiber. Okay, all right. I mean, it looks like it's microfiber, but okay. And then I'll sculpt my nose. And I just go in with a fluffy brush and just try to blend this out a little bit. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Black Radiance finishing powder. While that's sitting there and it's baking, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And then we just move on to eyeshadow. And today I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Perception palette because it's Slay Day, y'all. It's SHAYLA Slay Day, Slay Day. And I just wanted to play with this palette a little bit more. I've used it a few times, not many. I just wanted to dip into it a little bit. All right, so I'll take my Golden 40 and I'll prime my lids. I'm thinking about doing a smoky eye today. SHAYLA's known for her smoky eye look. She loves a smoky eye. Even when she tries to not do a smoky eye, she ends up doing a smoky eye. And I wanted to play around with this 14, which is like a blue color, and Stallion, which is almost, it's like a black with some of the blue specks in it. Kind of brighter blue, almost like midnight. Yeah, so I wanted to play with some of these colors. But first I'm gonna just lay down the foundation, y'all, and I'm gonna use some thick. And I'm just feathering the edges to buff it out some. And I'm gonna pack in some of that Stallion on the corner. So not sure if you guys caught me blending away, but I was blending away, and I'm sure that you saw that I put 14 on there, and then Stallion, I went in with a little bit with Stallion, a little bit more, and blended it out into the thick, right? Okay. And so now I have this Glisten Cosmetics glitter, and I just want to put this on like maybe the middle, just to give it a little bit more drama. I'm gonna do like a small cat eye with the Seraphim Liquid Kohl waterproof liquid liner. I'm gonna line the bottom lash for my waterline with the Jordana 12-hour eyeshadow pencil, and I'm just gonna put this as close to the waterline as possible. I'm gonna smudge that out. I'm gonna set that eyeshadow pencil with some of the Stallion. In the inner corner, I'll put some of the 14, and then right underneath all of that, I'll blend out some of Thick. UPS is like, buzz me in, y'all. Alert, you want your delivery or you don't want your delivery. Quit playing. I'm gonna charge my battery because you already know. Okay. I'm gonna finish the other eye, and then we're gonna finish off this face. So now I take my mineralized skin finish and just add some more color onto my face. Add some back in. Now to contour, I'm gonna do the mineralized skin finish in deep dark instead. And that's just gonna give me a nice bronzy look. Not to contour, but I guess to bronze up. I could use a bigger brush, but I usually use this because it gives me a little bit more control. And this is a 116 by MAC. And with a smaller blending brush, I have this medium angled shading brush. And with that, I'm just gonna shade in this contour, which in my opinion is still too sharp. But, all right, so there's Boomin' and there's Pose. To start, I'm gonna put Booming, and with that one, I'm going to use this tapered highlighter brush. On top, I'm gonna put on some Booming. I'm gonna use a fan brush to do that. I done ran out of brushes, y'all. With my finger, just placing some at my brow bone. For blush, I'm gonna use the matte Super Shock Cheek in the color Never Been Kissed. That should look like it's never been there. For lips, I'm gonna do the Patrick Star Mahogany Lip Pencil, and I'm gonna put on Quickie, and then I'm gonna top that off with the lip gloss Neat Freak, and then I'll set it with the D-Slick Urban Decay setting spray. And I believe these are the SHAYLA I Slay. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. I decided to go with this smoky blue and glitter deal, and I have blue on, and I have a white background, and I decided to throw on my wig, and it's not secured because, again, this is just for the purposes of this video. All right, this wig sheds a lot. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the company. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe and share it with other people. And of course, don't forget to click that notification button so you can know when I'm putting up one of these videos. I'm just saying. And of course, y'all, last but not least, de-stress and be blessed, girl. Bye.